Hi friends, welcome back again. When companies want to share a part of its profits with its shareholders, they do so in the form of dividends. And dividend comes mainly in two ways. Interim, which is when dividends are given in between a financial year, or you can say before the final yearly results are out, and is generally less than the final dividends, which is given after the final results are out and the company has a clear picture of its yearly profits. And in this month, September 2021, 5 companies are going to give their final dividends, which have their record dates between 16th and 22nd September. That means you should buy the stock at least 2 business days before the record date, and then only you can have that stock in your demat account or portfolio on that record date, and only then you will be eligible for getting the announced dividends. So let's take a look at those 5 stocks and how much dividends you will be getting. At number 5, we have Amrutanjan Healthcare Ltd. And from the name you can understand that it's a pharma sector stock. The stock is currently trading at around 730 rupees. Today, as on 7th September 2021, Tuesday. Company have announced a dividend of 260%, and this percentage is not on 730 rupees. This percentage applies to the face value of the stock, and that is just 1 rupee. Thus, you will be getting just 2 rupees 60 paise for each share of the company that you have. That means if you invest 730 rupees to buy a share, you will get 2 rupees 60 paise, and that's just 0.35% return on your investment. The return is not worth to put your money, right? But wait, the last 2 stocks that I will tell you will be giving you phenomenal return of more than 7% in just a few days. And one more thing, the record date for this stock is 16th September, Thursday. So you should buy the share within 13th September for getting the dividend. At number 4, we have Ratnamani Metals and Tubes Ltd, a steel and iron sector stock, which is giving a huge dividend of 700%. Sounds good, right? But the face value of this stock is just 2 rupees. So the dividend stands at 14 rupees per share, and the current price of this stock is around 2135. So you will be getting just 0.65% return on your investment. And the record date is 21st September, which is Tuesday. So according to the rule, you should buy the stock 2 business days before the record date, and that's 17th September. So you should buy the share within 17th September to get the dividend for this stock. Number 3, it's LIC Housing Finance Ltd, which is one of the largest housing finance company in India, currently trading at around 420 rupees, and have announced 425% dividend with face value of just 2 rupees. That's a dividend of 8 rupees 50 paise per share, and thus you will be getting 2% return on your investment. A good return as compared to the previous 2 stocks. And the record date is 19th September. So you have to buy the share within 15th September to get the dividends. And now it's time for those 2 stocks that will be giving you more than 7% return. So at number 2, we have Bamar Lorry Investments Ltd, a name not many of you heard before. It's a non-banking finance sector stock and is giving the final dividend of 380%. And the best part is the face value of the stock is rupees 10, and thus the dividend becomes 38 rupees per share. But what's the current price of this stock? It's 480 rupees, and thus the dividend yield or the percentage return on your investment is an excellent 7.92%, a good return for just few days of holding a stock. Thus, if you invest about 4,800 rupees today for buying 10 shares, you will make a profit of 380 rupees. And if you invest 48,000 rupees, you will get 3,800 rupees profit in just few days. And the record date for this stock is 22nd September. And now, the highest dividend paying stock, it's BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. This government sector stock has announced 230% final dividend and having face value of rupees 10, that stands at 23 rupees per share of dividend. And the stock is currently trading at around 490 rupees. That's 4.7% return on your investment. But it was said that last two stocks will give you more than 7% return, right? And it's less than 5%. Why so? Because there's a surprise for you. The company has also announced a special dividend of 350% or 35 rupees per share. Thus the total dividend becomes 58 rupees per share. Now let's calculate the return. It's a whopping 11.8% return on your investment. And that's unbelievable return to get in just few days. And the record date is 18th September for this stock. So you should buy the share within 15th September to take the benefit of this one-time huge dividend return and boost your portfolio gains. Comment down below which among these 5 stocks you think is good to invest for making a good profit from dividends. That's for today, guys. Hit the like button if you really like this video and let YouTube know that we are adding a little value to your life. I am Devajyoti Biswas and you are watching FinTech Funda, and our aim is to help you achieve financial freedom through technical and fundamental knowledge. Subscribe our channel for achieving financial freedom. Thank you.